Jeremy S. Cook here, and today I'm going to be showing off how I organize my plastic storage cases with 3D printed boxes. Before I even did that though, I constructed a shelf for it that would fit into my workbench. Now I'll put a link to the video in the upper right hand corner so you can check that out. With that all done, my preliminary step was actually to label everything with a Brother P-Touch labeler. This made it really easy to see everything. I didn't have to open up all the drawers to make sure, see where everything was. It's just saved me a ton of time so far. So the other thing, and kind of the main point in this video, is that there's still a ton of space in these things. I could totally optimize it a little bit more if I just had some more of those smaller boxes or even more compartments. So you can see me printing out some with 2 and 4 spacers. You can see kind of the results here. You got nice labels in the back, and they got a thing with four compartments in it for little components. Some of them have 2 compartments and some have 2 long compartments. Now the one thing with this though, since it's a little bit taller with respect to how wide it is, it was kind of hard to see inside. So I made some little labels to go on these. You can see me sticking them on there with some dental tools that I got on eBay. This made it really easy because it's kind of hard to get your fingers in there. Also use some electronics tweezers to do this, which worked pretty well. And then if you get in a real pinch, you can use your fingers too, but it's kind of hard to get your fingers in these, especially for the ones with 4 compartments. But yeah, it'll all look pretty good. And here's another shot of how I actually organize everything as far as how those categories go. I'm not going to belabor the point here, but you can see kind of some space for some random stuff, kind of some miscellaneous drawers in the bottom. And yeah, it's really happy how this just turned out. I really love these cases, and things just keep evolving. I'm sure a year from now my categories and stuff will be different, but for now I'm pretty happy with everything. So here's another shot of my electronics case, so I'm happy with that, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment or even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. This is Jeremy S. Cook signing off.